Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Glanza's head unit supports Android Auto and your phone runs Android 8, 0 or later. Plug a good OEM USB cable into the car's USB port and your phone. Don't force it. A loose connection causes detection failures. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and location, since Android Auto uses them for pairing and navigation permissions. If the car prompts for USB mode, choose File Transfer or Android Auto. This initial handshake gets the data channel ready. Once connected, you'll see authorization prompts on the phone and the Glanza screen. Accept them so the app can access contacts, location, and microphone. Make sure to grant SMS and notification access if you want messages announced. This is why permissions matter for voice and safety features. On the car head unit, pick Android Auto as the default USB app and enable notifications and do not disturb rules if offered. After configuring, test Google Maps and voice commands to confirm full control. To finish, verify audio routing and steering wheel controls work. Use the phone's voice button to test Google Assistant. If Android Auto doesn't appear, reboot both phone and Glanza head unit first. Simple restarts resolve many issues. If that fails, swap to a high-quality USB cable or another car USB port, then clear the Android Auto app cache or update the app and your car's infotainment firmware. If problems persist, check permissions again and try unpairing and repairing Bluetooth as a last quick fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.